Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the PM Silver Bullet on Wednesday, July 10th. Now, if you looked at today and you started today, I'm just going to go through it. Like this is 2 o'clock right here. Look at the move we had today thus far. It's huge. Okay, that's all today. So if you go like to the 1 hour and you look at this, this is today. Here's New York Midnight Open. I mean, look at that. And it started the New York Midnight Open to where price is at now, 175 points ahead. It's just skyrocketed up, right? So when you're at all-time highs, what do? Well, you keep trading and looking for it to go higher, right? That's what everyone tells us, keep going higher. So let's see what if price takes out a low and allows us to go higher or not. Not a fan of this delivery right now. It's consolidating and waiting for it to break out of consolidation with like a close of a candle. Form SMT, and then okay, so this just took buy side right here, but I mean we're still in this range here of from like here to here to it wouldn't allow me to do that. We're in a 15-point range right here, so with candle bodies, so I need it to break through with displacement. I had hope. I thought I had hope there. See, we're just ranging, so I'm just waiting. I'm not trusting this breaker to go short. There's no SMT here. I'm just waiting for something to happen here. Break out of this. Might go to the downside. That looks more probable right now. Let me see, July 10th right here. Let me see on my screen here. Let me make these bigger. Make sure there's no SMT here. Yeah, there's not SMT here. It's all. Yep, no SMT. Okay. I want to break this range. So like right now we're in this box. This box right here, right? That's the range we're in. And let's do that like do I have it in here? No. That's where we're at. We're in that range. I need to break out of that. Close. Okay, good. We're finally breaking out. Now, someone will come in the comments and say, hey, well, why didn't you take this right here? Because the same reason I didn't take this breaker over here. Same reason, because we're in this range. We're consolidating. I want to see us expansion out of it. And I need to see SMT, and there is no SMT here to go short. So, might need a little structure here. This forms a swing. Okay, perfect. We have SMT right here. Do I like that SMT? It's small, but that's the only SMT I have at the moment, and we are at all-time highs. So anything, you got to take anything to maybe go down. So what am I looking at here? I need to close below this to be a breaker. I'm close below this fair value gap to be an inversion. All right, well, we have the breaker block. So it comes back up. I'll take a trade to go short, but because this is such a long range day, I'm not aiming for, I'm probably aiming for, 25, 30 points below this low here total, like somewhere in here. I'm not maybe filling these fair value gaps here, this fair value gap here. This order block here, maybe this low. Just depends. I'm watching it closely because I don't. We've had such a big range day. I expect a little retracement, but I'm not expecting a complete reversal right now. It's too late in the day to do that. They may manipulate it right at 4 o'clock, but ooh, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna sell right there. I'm gonna short position here, and let's go above the high. Let's go with 10. Just a 1 to 3 ratio right there, right? Let's do that. Right above the high, and here's 1 to 3. 1 to 3, right? There's that. Okay, so now we have this inversion. I'd like to see that hold price. Oof. You know what? It's close enough. I'll sell one. This is, someone asked me how I would pyramid into my position. This is how I'd pyramid into my position. And because that went down there, I'll probably move this down to here to keep it even. Okay. Why did I get in there? Well, because I have an inversion fair value gap, an order block right here. You can't see because of all these numbers, but there's an order block right here that is exactly where it stopped. So okay, so now I have another inversion right here. And would I take it off of this? Well, it depends. Are we more than, we're less than half, or less than 50% of our thing. So if it came up in here, would I take another trade? I don't know. We'll see if we get one up there or not. Yeah, see, it came up and tapped that inversion fair value gap to the tick right there. But if I took another trade, it would be actually right down here from Tradingview. So I wouldn't have. Usually I only do one pyramid entry in. I'm not taking two. I like it all up here if I can. So if it came back up into this inversion right here, I would take one. But if it doesn't come back up kind of like in the middle of this, then I wouldn't take one. Add to my position. Okay, but we are definitely going to the top of this inversion fair value gap though. There's two PD rays right here that are going to hold price, and we just took out a low, so I expect it to retrace a little, have some kind of reaction here. But I'm protecting that position since I have two on there. This is where it could expand up. Okay, there's an order block there. Okay. Perfect. Does it come back up and just do the rest of the time? Okay, just kind of stays there. Okay. All right. All right, so we came to the 2 o'clock hour, the PM silver bullet hour, and we've been trading up all day, right? I mean, it's been very, very good up moves. So when you're at all-time highs, what do? You keep going higher until you see like an SMT form, and then you can, take a little trade down and see if it's going to be a complete reversal or not. Well, this one we had a little itty bitty SMT with the ES, and it formed a breaker, and we had an inversion. We took our trade off the breaker, then we added to our position at the inversion. We were just doing a 1 to 3 right here, and sure enough, that right below this low filled in these two fair value gaps that I said earlier, right here into this order block, and it just took out the bottom of this order block here. So that was a good trade right there. Fill in those, and now I'd expect it to come back up, have some retracement, take out all this liquidity, because people that are going long, they saw that their stops are here. That's what we just took. And yeah, that's your silver bullet for Wednesday, July 10th, using all the Kraken suite of indicators.